हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू S2S क्लासेस। नाउ आज हम 10th क्लास का फॉरवर्ड सिलेबस कर रहे हैं, आगे कर रहे हैं। हमने क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन चैप्टर शुरू किया हुआ है 10th क्लास का, बाकी पूरे हो चुके हैं। तो इसमें 4th चैप्टर क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशंस इन दिस एक्सरसाइज 4.1 4.2 हैज़ बीन डन। वो कंप्लीट सॉल्यूशन हो गया है लास्ट वीडियो में। नाउ forward new point is there in the quadratic equation, nature of the roots and what is discriminant. Discriminant D is equal to represented by b square minus 4ac. What are ABC? ABC in a quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c equal 0. This is the standard form of the quadratic equation. Coefficient of x square is a, coefficient of x is b, and constant term is c. So we have to compare the question with this standard equation of quadratic form and take the values of a, b and c. Okay, and after that discriminant, direct b square minus 4ac you have to solve. Simplify, put the values here in the discriminant. This is called the discriminant of the quadratic equation. Okay, now after this value of the discriminant calculated, these may come out of 3 anyone. So means nature of the roots are depend on the values of discriminant. If discriminant value positive, we can write greater than 0 any positive real number. If discriminant value b square minus 4ac may be positive, one case. दूसरा केस may be equal 0, discriminant may come 0. और थर्ड केस discriminant may be negative real number, any negative real number. So these are the 3 parts of all real number. Discriminant may come in the one part positive real number, discriminant may come equal to 0, or discriminant may come negative real number. So these 3 parts, if any discriminant value, then we have to write the nature. So now in first part, nature of the roots, if nature of the root, if positive discriminant, 2 distinct real roots, 2 distinct real roots. This is the nature of the roots. When, if first case, if discriminant value means b square minus 4ac value, b square minus 4ac, this discriminant if greater than 0 means any positive real number, then in this case two distinct real root is the nature of the quadratic equation whose discriminant is greater than 0. In second case 2 equal real roots, 2 equal real root. This is the nature of the quadratic equation In second case, if calculated value of the discriminant, if discriminant is equal to 0, discriminant means b square minus 4ac value. Okay, third case may be d value, if d value discriminant value and b square minus 4ac value if negative means less than 0, any negative real number, if d value d square minus 4ac value, then this nature of the roots, no real roots, these three are the nature of the roots of a quadratic equation, no real roots. Okay, so we have to remember these three natures according to the values of discriminant. Discriminant may come positive real number, discriminant may come negative real number, or discriminant may be equal to 0. These three parts. So we have to remember these three nature. Okay. After these three nature and finding the discriminant, you must be careful to take the values of A, B, C from the quadratic equation. Compare that quadratic equation with the standard quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c, means coefficient of x square is called the value of A, coefficient of x is called the value of B, and constant term is called the value of C. These may be negative, may be positive, may be A, B, C, any real number, but A should not be 0, B or C may be 0. Okay, this in the starting of the quadratic equation I told that only single term 3x square minus 2x square equal to 0, 3x square equal to 0. This is quadratic equation because B and C here that term are not present, means due to that B and C 0 are there, then 0 into x 0 and plus 0. That's why only quadratic equation may be in one term only, means A should not be 0. This is the standard thing. A, B, C are any real number. Okay, understood. I repeated this. I have given in the lectures these all things. Okay, now we have to go to the exercise 4.3, question number 1. Exercise 4.3, question number 1 is find the nature of the roots. Question 1, find the nature okay, of the roots of the following quadratic equations. If the real roots exist, find them. If real exist, then find them. Okay, now first part here. What is first part? 2x square minus 3x plus 5. 2x square minus 3x plus 5 equal 0. Okay, this is the first part quadratic equation. Now you see here what is the value of A. Now we should write by comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. A is x square coefficient, that is here 2. We should write what is b here, coefficient of x minus 3. So b value is minus 3 and what is constant term plus 5, then c value is equal to 5. So compare with the standard quadratic equation and write the a, b, c values. Okay, done. After that, what we have to do? Discriminant, because nature are depend on the value of the discriminant. So here saying find the nature. So means value of discriminant we have to find out first. Now discriminant D is equal to b square minus 4ac. Calculate this, then put the values of a, b, c here. Then b square means minus 3 whole square, then 9 minus 4 into a is 2 into c is 5. Then it is 4 2 ja 8, 8 5 ja 40. 9 minus 40, 9 minus 40, then minus 31. Okay? This is less than 0. It is negative. Any negative real number. It is less than 0. So, which case? Third case. So, no real root. So, it is less than 0 as D less than 0. So, nature of roots we should write such that what? No real root. No real roots. This we should write the nature, because asking here in this question find the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equation. If exist means if first and second case, then find them. Okay, I will tell how can find forward, because one method I told you, find the roots by the splitting middle term, factorization method. Okay, find the roots. And other method here now I will tell quadratic formula method. Okay, now today quadratic formula also I will tell now in the next, where this exist, nature exist. Okay, roots exist, then I will tell. Now second part, you can see what is second part in question number 1. What is second part? Second part is 3x square minus 4 root 3 minus 4 root 3x plus 4 equal to 0. Yes, this. Now here compare what is a equal to 3 beta. What is the value of b? Coefficient of x minus 4 root 3. Minus 4 root 3. What is the value of c? Constant term plus 4. This. So now using this and find, so discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac equal b square minus 4 root 3 whole square. बेटा डायरेक्ट माइनस का होल स्क्वायर, माइनस माइनस प्रोडक्ट प्लस हो जाएगा, एंड 4 स्क्वायर 16 and root 3 square 3. So 16 3 जा 48. Then it is 48. B square is 48 minus 4 into A. A is 3 into 4AC. C is 4. Then this equal 4 4 ja 16, 16 3 ja 48. So 48 minus 48 0. So D is equal to 0 as as d equal to 0, so discriminant 0. If discriminant 0, then nature of the roots 2 equal real roots. So nature of roots, we should write full sentence. What nature of roots? 2 equal real. 2 equal real roots. यानी roots exist कर रहे हैं, then we have to find. Okay, now write one formula, quadratic formula. So thus quadratic formula to find the roots. What is that? X is equal to, roots means value of x. Roots means value of x, value of variable. In which variable that quadratic equation is there, so value of that are called the roots. So x is equal to formula minus b plus minus square root discriminant यानी b square minus 4ac. This we calculated, whole divide by x equal whole divide by 2a. This formula we should write. Okay, this is the direct to find the root by this formula. Put the values of a, b, c and the b square minus 4ac discriminant is calculated to 0. So we are putting this, okay, and finding that roots. So roots we are finding by this formula. X is equal to minus b. What is the value of b? B value was minus 4 root 3. Here I wrote. What was the value of b? Minus 4 root 3. B square is this. So minus 4 root 3 minus b. So minus plus 4 root 3. Okay, this is the minus b value because b is negative and formula minus b. So negative value of b and minus in formula, so minus plus 4 root 3 plus minus square root d is 0 upon 2 into a. A was in the question 4a. A was 3. Okay, put here values and solve. Then this implies x equal 1 time positive 1 time negative, so both are here 0. So then 4 root 3 upon 2 root 3. Okay, 2 3, then 2 2 is 4. This is 0. Finish. It means 2 root 3 upon 3. 2 root 3 upon 3. 2 root 3 upon 3. This equal roots दूसरा भी यही 2 root 3 upon 3 repeated. So these are the roots. Answer. Find them. So these are roots. We can write value of x are called roots. So we should write roots are 2 root 3 upon 3 comma 2 root 3 upon 3 repeated. Equal. Both are equal. Okay, coincide. Okay, done. Now next part we can do. What is next part? Next part is third part, 2x square minus 6x plus 3. Question 1, third part. Okay, 2x square minus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, now a is 2 here. Comparing with standard quadratic equation, a is equal to 2. Okay beta, b is equal to minus 6, coefficient of x and c is equal to constant term plus 3. Then find discriminant. So discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. b square means b is minus 6 square plus 36, okay, and then b square minus 4ac, so minus 4 into a is 2 into c is 3. 4 2 ja 8, 3 ja 24, then 36 minus 24, then 12, 24 plus 12, 36, okay, then 12, 36 minus 24, 12, this is greater than 0, okay. So we have to say as discriminant greater than 0, so nature of roots, so nature of roots we should write, okay, such that what nature, if d greater than 0, first case, d greater than 0, then first case, and first case two distinct real root, two distinct real roots. We should write nature and solve. Then solution using quadratic formula. Okay, using quadratic formula. Okay, what is quadratic formula? X is equal to minus b plus minus root discriminant upon 2a. Then minus b is minus 6 and minus formula, so minus plus 6 plus minus square root d is 12, d value is 12, discriminant, then b square minus 4ac value 12 upon, okay, d value put here, upon 2 into a is our 2 into 2. Then simplify, this will come 12, root 12, 2 2 ja 4, 3 ja 12, factors, then same 2 factors, 2 2s, then 2 root 3, then 6 plus minus 2 root 3, then 2 common factor, then 3 plus minus and 2 common, then 2 root 3, then root 3 upon 2 2 ja 4, okay. Then 2 simplify for 2. Then what are the roots? To write roots. So roots are, we should write. So find them. So roots such that, what roots? Values of x. 3 one time plus 3 plus root 3 upon 2, comma, second root, negative sign, 3 minus root 3 upon 2. Answer. Okay, so like this we should write the roots. Okay, done. Now next question number 2. Okay. Now question number 2, we should rub these, you should remember these, okay. Now question number 2. What is question 2? Question 2 is, question number 2, find the values of k. Question number 2, find the values of k find the values of k, okay, for each of the following quadratic equations. Find the value of k for each of the following quadratic equations so that they have two equal roots. So that they have two equal roots. Equal roots means this is given nature equal roots. So if equal roots, then we know reciprocal. If equal root, then discriminant must be equal to 0. Real and equal roots, then discriminant d value b square minus 4ac must be equal to 0. So here what is given in the question, that we have to use condition discriminant. Now this part first, 2x square plus kx. Two x square plus kx plus 3 equals 0. This is first case. Then take value of a, b, c. A is 2 here. What is b here? B value coefficient of x plus k, and k, this is the value of b, any real number k, plus 3 means c equal to 3. We should take these value and then use discriminant formula b square minus 4ac and say equal to this 0. Why? Because equal roots given. Because equal roots, okay, given. If equal roots given, then we should use discriminant equal to 0. We know, okay. Then put here b value, k, then b square, then k square minus 4 into a is 2 into c is 3 equal 0. Then simplify, k square will be equal to this negative 2, 3 is 6, 6 4 is 24. So negative 24 will go positive 24, that side, 0 side. So k square is equal to 24. Then this implies square root both side, square root both side, then k equal to square root 24. Square root 24 means plus minus root 24. Always put plus minus and then factors. 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 3 is 24. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So means same twice, 2 times. One single 2, single 3 left, and 2 3 is 6 left. So without pair same, then 2 root 6, then 2 root 6 plus minus 2 root 6. This is the value of k. So values of k answer, okay, plus minus. So k equal to what? Positive 2 root 6 and negative 2 root 6. These are two values of k, this comma this, answer. So like this, nature given, then use condition. ठीक है बेटा? Okay. Now question number 2, next part. Similarly, second part of question 2 we can do. What is second part of question 2? Question 2, second part, kx. Second part, question 2 is kx into x minus 2 into x minus 2 plus 6 equal 0. So implies that we should simplify. Okay, has equal roots for that question 2. So means first simplify, multiply kx inside, make standard quadratic form, product kx square, kx into x, kx square, and minus 2 into kx, minus 2kx. ठीक है बेटा, and then plus 6 out equal 0. Okay, now take ABC. A value is equal to k, coefficient of x square. What is B value? B is minus 2k, coefficient of x. And what is C? C is equal to constant plus 6. So use these values in the discriminant formula. D is equal to B square minus 4AC, and this equal to 0 because roots are equal, given, because roots are equal, given. Okay beta, this is given. So use this equation and solve. Then b square means minus 2k whole square, then 4k square positive बन गया, minus 4 into a is k, 4k into c is 6, okay, is equal to 0. This implies simplify 4k square minus 4 6 24 k, simplify only, is equal to 0. Then common, two terms are here, highest common factor. How you will solve? Common, 4k is common here. Okay, so highest common factor in these both terms, 4k is common, then k left here, and minus 4 6 24, so 6 is equal to 0. These two factors, so one factor 4k equal to 0, second k minus 6 equal 0. So from first, k equal to 0 divided by 4, 0. K value on this, other k equal to positive 6. So these are values of k. Answer, find the values of k. Done. Okay, now question number 3. Question number 3. Now, what is question 3? Yes, question 3. Is it possible to design a rectangular mango? Is it possible? Is it possible rectangular? Design rectangular mango grow whose length is twice its breadth. Length is twice its breadth. And let breadth x, so length will be 2x according to question, and the area is 800 meter square given. Okay, if so, if design possible, if possible, design find its length and breadth. Okay, find its length and breadth. Length and breadth. This. Now solution is let breadth of a rectangular garden equal x meter. Okay, so according to question, length of garden according to question twice of its breadth means 2x, and area is given 800 meter square. Area is equal to 800 meter square given. According to the given condition, we have to make the quadratic equation. The given condition, area formula, length multiply breadth is equal to 800. Okay, length is 2x into breadth is x equal to 800. Then this implies 2x square minus 800 is equal to 0. Okay, 2 common, x square minus 400 equal 0. Then x square is equal to 400. Then x is equal to 20 meter. So means breadth is 20 and length is, so breadth is equal to 20 meter and length of garden is 2 into 20, 40 meter. Answer. Okay, and design is possible. We have to write rectangular design is possible, so find out this. Okay, now discriminant we can show here. Discriminant b square minus 4ac, b square what is b, constant term नहीं, इसमें b 0 minus 4 into a is 2 into c is minus 800, then it is positive greater than 0. Okay, so design possible यानी roots possible, value of x possible means breadth possible. Okay, hence we can say by the calculation of discriminant exist or not. Done. Okay, now question 3 completed. Now okay, I think time is over. Okay, now you take interest, watch, like, share and subscribe the channel to get the next notification with you automatically, and share the videos to the maximum contacts जो आपके पास कॉन्टैक्ट हैं, चाहे वो पेरेंट्स के हैं, किसी के भी हैं और उनके भी बच्चे पढ़ते हैं, सबको शेयर हो जाए. कोई ना कोई कहीं ना कहीं आपको कोई बेनिफिट मिलेगा कि किसी को भेज रहे हैं तो वो उसको बेनिफिट होगा. तो प्लीज़ शेयर टू द मैक्सिमम so that they will get the benefit. Okay, subscribe the channel and say to them कि कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट ज़रूर लिखें. ओके, थैंक यू.